Hi everyone and welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you 5 editing hacks in Filmora 11. So let's get started. However, I have also made a video about text behind the object in Filmora 11. So you can check it out just by clicking the pop-up right up in the corner there. The first one to go is audio ducking. This feature basically means that when a dialogue or something is spoken, the background music will just get lower, and when not, it will just get normalized automatically. To turn on this feature, double click the audio clip and go down and check ducking and you're there. Hi everyone and welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you Moving to the next one, we have recording feature in Filmora 11. This includes screen recording, camera recording, and voice recording. To get these, just go in the media panel and click on record. There you will find various options like record using webcam, a screen recording, and voice recording. The third editing hack is auto ripple. This feature is used to fill the gaps between two clips, like when you cut a part of video and delete it, a gap will be created, and you will have to drag the next clip, which is time consuming. But when you turn on this feature, this will fill the gap just as you can see in the video. Fourth one to go is Film Stock Library. You'll have access to many more HD royalty-free stock footages, Filmora effects, and so many other things. However, there are 3 different types of tags given to these things, like green diamond tag, a pink one, and a yellow. There's a meaning for this. It says that if an element is in green diamond, it's free to use. If pink, you need a standard film stock license, and last yellow one is for premium license. Now, if you want to purchase a new Filmora license right from the official site, just go into the link and description and you'll be there. The last one editing hack for today is shared media section. Now many times it happens that you have dragged media like intro every time from folder to Filmora media panel. However, if you want some media to be there across all the new projects of Filmora, you can use shared media section so that you don't have to drag same media every time in the media panel when you create a new project. So if you enjoy the video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. Until then, let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.